Alright, picture this, it's payday. You're waiting, maybe refreshing your banking app, maybe checking your email. You're anticipating that sweet notification that your hard-earned money has landed. But then, it hits you, it's not there. Or, it's there, but it's sitting in your old, low-interest account, slowly losing value to inflation. Sound familiar? Have you ever wondered why you're still manually transferring money between accounts in this day and age? Why, when we have self-driving cars and AI that can write poetry, are we still stuck with the hassle of moving our paychecks? And more importantly, have you considered how much you're losing by not having your money work harder for you, right from the moment it hits your account? Let's face it, we all want to maximize our earnings. We want our money to grow, not just sit there. And that's where direct deposit comes in, especially when paired with a high-interest account like EQ Bank. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to set up direct deposit to your EQ Bank personal account so you can ditch the manual transfers, boost your savings, and finally take control of your finances. Now, before we jump into the step-by-step, let's talk about why EQ Bank is a fantastic choice for direct deposit. You're likely here because you've heard of EQ Bank's competitive interest rates. They consistently offer some of the best rates in Canada, allowing your money to grow faster than with traditional banks. But it's not just about the interest. EQ Bank is also known for its user-friendly interface, no monthly fees, and excellent customer service. It's a digital bank designed for the modern individual who values convenience and efficiency. Direct deposit is the key to unlocking the full potential of your EQ Bank account. It eliminates the need for manual transfers, ensuring your paycheck lands directly into your high-interest savings account. This means your money starts working for you the moment it arrives, maximizing your returns. So, how do we actually set this up? Let's break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Access your EQ Bank account information. First things first, you'll need your account information. This includes your account number and transit number. You can find this information by logging into your EQ Bank online portal or mobile app. Once you're logged in, navigate to your personal account. Look for an option like Account Details or Direct Deposit Information. Here, you'll find your crucial numbers, the transit number, which identifies your branch, and the account number, which is unique to your personal account. Step 2. Obtain a direct deposit form or letter. Now, you need to provide this information to your employer or the organization that pays you. Many employers have their own direct deposit forms. If they do, request one from your HR or payroll department. If your employer doesn't have a specific form, you can create a direct deposit letter. This letter should include your full name as it appears on your EQ Bank account, your EQ Bank account number, your EQ Bank transit number, EQ Bank's institution number, which is 828, a statement authorizing your employer to deposit your paycheck directly into your EQ Bank account, your signature and the date. You can also often find a pre-filled direct deposit form within the EQ Bank portal itself that you can download and provide to your employer. Step 3. Submit the form or letter to your employer/payer. Once you have the completed form or letter, submit it to your employer or the organization that pays you. Ensure you submit it by their required deadline, as processing times can vary. It's always a good idea to keep a copy of the form or letter for your records. Step 4. Verify your direct deposit. After submitting the form, you'll want to verify that your direct deposit is set up correctly. This usually involves checking your EQ Bank account on your next payday. Keep an eye out for a deposit from your employer. If you see it, congratulations! You've successfully set up direct deposit to your EQ Bank account. If you don't see the deposit, contact your employer's payroll department to ensure they received and processed your form. You can also reach out to EQ Bank's customer support for assistance. The benefits of direct deposit and EQ Bank. Let's recap the benefits of setting up direct deposit to your EQ Bank account. Convenience, no more manual transfers or waiting in line at the bank. Efficiency, your money starts working for you immediately. Higher interest rates. Maximize your savings with EQ Bank's competitive interest rates. Security. Direct deposit is a secure way to receive your paycheck. Peace of mind. Knowing your money is automatically deposited and growing. In today's fast-paced world, convenience and efficiency are paramount. Direct deposit, combined with a high-interest account like EQ Bank, empowers you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By automating your paycheck deposits, you eliminate the hassle of manual transfers and ensure your money is working for you around the clock. Think of all the time you'll save. Time you can spend on things you enjoy. Think of the extra money you'll earn simply by having your money work harder. Think of the peace of mind knowing your finances are organized and growing. Setting up direct deposit is a simple yet powerful step towards financial freedom. It's about taking control, making smart choices, and maximizing your potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.